Hello, my name is Amber Wilson, and this is my presentation on why my medical facility website is the best choice based on the following visual concepts and elements: visual organization, visual simplicity, visual interactivity, charts and graphs, and images. The first one that we're going to talk about is visual organization. Now, Landa states in Chapter 2 about the Gestalt laws of perceptual organization, touching on similarity, proximity, continuity, closure, and common fate. As you can see in the image below, Mayo Clinic does a great job of highlighting organization. Everything is together but separate. So here you can see that there are 4 elements here, exactly what you want to see. This also ties into our second area of concentration, which is simplicity, simple lines, simple concepts, vast, wide open spaces. Blue is seen as calming in the United States. Your eye is directed to the satisfied, smiling child, which is exactly what medical facility staff and patients want to see. They want to see smiling children. They want to see stark white. Their eyes are drawn immediately to the child. They want to see just the facts. They don't want to be bogged down with all of the details. Touching again on the Gestalt laws of perceptual organization, first we're going to talk about similarity. Now, similarity is elements that share like characteristics such as belonging together. They share likeness in shape, texture, color, or direction. Now, the 4 blocks here share the same calming colors of blue. They're both all the same size. They're all the same texture. They're all the same direction. They're all connect together. They're a puzzle piece that all work in cohesive elements together. You want to make an appointment, well, then you also want to find a doctor. And once you find a doctor and you want to make an appointment, you have to contact them. And then say you go to the medical facility at the Mayo Clinic. You need to know where to go. Somebody might be visiting you. You might want to visit them. These 4 things go hand in hand, so it only makes sense that those are the 4 elements that you see right away, bam, right on the front page. This also plays into proximity, elements near each other, and spatial proximity, perceived as belonging together. These belong together. That also plays into continuity, perceived visual paths or connections among parts, elements that appear as a continuation of previous elements are perceived as linked, creating an impression of movement. They move together, they flow together, they go together. Closure, the mind's tendency to connect individual elements to produce a completed form, unit, or pattern. They all play a puzzle. They're like puzzle pieces within a greater picture. They all fit together. You can't have the total picture without each of these individual puzzle pieces. The common fate, elements are likely to be perceived as a unit if they move in the same direction. They all fit together in this block. The child goes hand in hand with making an appointment, finding that doctor, having his parent contact us, and then perhaps someone is visiting. It all plays together as one cohesive unit. The second area is simplicity, the simple lines, the simple concepts, the vast, wide open spaces. It's popular for medical facilities to consider a website homepage that has clean, straight lines, open white spaces, and blue coloring. Blue is perceived as strong, safe, and calming with viewers in the United States. So this is perfect. Mayo has plenty of white open space. They have just a touch of blue in their insignia. They have the blue here, but then just contrasted by all this vast white open space. These interactive elements here at the top are shrunk down and kind of hidden away, but they're still there if you want to look for them, if you want to see them. There's that big search bar there. If you're not sure where to go or what to say, or you're not seeing what you're looking for, it's right there. It's very simple, but yet obvious and easy to use, and that's exactly what someone wants in their medical facility. Next is the interactive element, such as social media and the clickability of a website. Here is Swedish American Hospital, who has a vast array of social media connections. You can see their Facebook page and their individual posts of things that they're doing around the community and within the hospital itself. They have an Instagram about their child care unit, what various nurses are doing for Halloween. They're interactive elements. Nurses and patients alike are posting pictures of their families and things that they're doing on their off time. It's making them relatable as a health system. They're also on YouTube with this video that says, "Consider it a sign." It's all about how you should see coming to Swedish American as a sign, seeing things in signs. And Twitter, they have a Twitter account. Here is the link that would get you to their Twitter account. So depending on where you are and what you're doing and what you're into, they're there. They're everywhere. They want you to get involved with their organization. There's also this element here. I just want to draw your attention to the left side of the screen and this little green box for Unity Point Health System in Meriter, a partner of UW Health. They have this little green box that says see wait times. If you click on that box, it'll tell you the exact wait times that you can expect in their emergency room facilities, which is extremely helpful if you're thinking you're kind of sick. Should I? Shouldn't I? How long am I going to wait? I'm going to be there forever. You can click right there, and you can also make an appointment, which is extremely interactive. That's exactly in our fast-paced world. You want to get in, you want to get out, you want to be seen. How long am I going to wait? Do I have time for this right now? Should I come back later? That's exactly what people want to see. There's also in the right-hand corner up at the top of the page is their phone number. You can click on that little phone link and it can connect you. If you're connected with social media, it can do from Facebook calling and various other things. There's also a shopping cart, so it's interactive in multiple ways. You can shop their gift shop, you can give, you can pay your bill, you can find your doctor. There's all these various links. There's this video right on the home page that says people are amazing. We help keep them that way. Do you want to know how? Click the video, watch the video. It's very interactive. It lets you connect in different ways depending on the way that you want to interact with these health systems. Next is charts and graphs. People learn in different ways. Here you show a graph that says over the past year, 74% of people have at some point felt so stressed that they felt overwhelmed or unable to cope. It draws your attention to the pink lady here. It shows that 1 in 4 basically feels stressed. It wants to draw your attention. You know what you're looking at. You know that there's something different here. People learn in different ways. Rasmussen puts it best in their Module 6 information, saying balancing visuals with textual information is important. Should we use words to discuss a company's profits, or would it be more beneficial to show a visual graph of improved monthly and yearly sales? We have to keep in mind that we have to lead our audience visually to retrieve information as quickly as possible in different ways. Everybody learns in different ways. Everybody grasps information in different ways. Here's another important visual here. It's a graph representing the percentage of persons without health insurance in the U.S. If you didn't even look at the top of the graph, what you can see from the graph is that something is going down. It's going down, it's going up, it's going up, it's going down, it's going down. Eventually it goes up, down, down, all the way down from 2015, from 1963 to 2015. What can you tell? Whatever was extremely high in 1963 is extremely low by their standards in 2015. And that's the percentage of persons without health insurance in the U.S. Everyone can perceive from this graph that something is going down. What is it? All they need to do is read the axes and the title, and they gather this information in a different way. It shows them what text might bog down and give you the facts and statistics very dryly, but this shows you a different way of learning the information, which is very important because everyone learns in a different way. Lastly is images with staff. Here you can see at Beloit Health System, you have staff here at the end here. You have the CEO on the title page welcoming you to the health system website. You have actual pictures of patients. You have actual pictures of visitors. You have actual pictures of patients here telling you why you should visit their health system. When people go to a health system, they want to feel safe. They want to feel secure. They want to feel compassionate care. They want to know that they're in an award-winning facility. Right on the title page, it says it's the first advanced joint care center in Wisconsin to be certified by the Joint Commission for total hip and total knee replacement. Wouldn't you want to go there if you were going to get your hip or knee replaced? This is the first program in Wisconsin to be certified. That tells you that their care is leagues above the rest. And lastly, here you have University of Chicago Medicine. Right on the title page, it says, welcome to the forefront of care and discovery. You have someone, probably a doctor, looking over MRI scans of a brain. Like, that tells you right there, he's a smart individual. He knows what he's talking about. This is advanced care. You can see in the background all of the the brain scans as well. You can also see on the front page that you can print your results, you can share your results, you can look at your chart, you can make appointments. These are medical care professionals who are so advanced that they're going to tell you right on the title page, why choose you, Chicago Medicine. And up at the top, it directly appeals to medical professionals because right after patients and visitors, it says healthcare professionals. And right after that, it says research and clinical trials. It wants you to delve right in. This shows you that this is a smart, educated hospital on the cusp of innovative and compassionate award-winning care. They're trusted. They want you to know why you should choose you of Chicago Medicine. All in all, what these visuals represent, especially this last one, is it helps you to portray success, helps you to portray innovation, trust. What exactly do patients and medical staff want to see? They want to see people like themselves working towards better patient care. Patients want to see doctors working towards better patient care. That's exactly what they want to see. They want to see cohesion. They want to see simplicity. They want to see innovation. They want to see success. And they want to learn about these things in different ways. And that's what all of these images come together and cohesively build a bigger picture of what we can provide as a medical facility. Thank you.